Assalamualaikum viewers and students. Let's start Think 3 8th edition. First chapter Algebraic Fractions and Formulas. Exercise 1A. Question number 1. Simplify the following fractions. So we have learned how to divide and multiply variables with powers. So let's start. A part is 4x 4 12x 5. So first of all we have to solve the numbers. So 4 times we can write 4 upon 12 x4 x5. So 4 times 4 is 4, 4 times 3 times 4 is 12, and for x we can cut 4 with this from 4 from this 5, so we get 1. So what we get is 1 upon 3x. Because there are 5x, so 4x is cut down by the numerator 4x. So this is our required answer. Similarly, part B, 16 a cube b4 upon 24 a5 b2. So we can write 16 into a3 into b2 b2. For your understanding, we split b square. If we multiply b square with b square, we get b4. Now 24 a3 into a5 b2. So similarly we split a5 into a3, a cube and a square for better understanding. So we can cut down 16 and 24 both comes in the table of 8. So 8 twice of 8 is 16 and thrice of 8 is 24. Now we can cut a cube with a cube and b square with b square. What is left? In numerators there is b square, in denominators there is a square. So this is our required answer. Now part C, 23. So q into q square r upon 69 q into r square s. So 23 times 23 1 23 23 thrice the so we can cut q with q and r with r. So what is left? 1 q square upon 3 r square s. So 1 upon 3 q square upon 3 r square s. So this is our required answer. Now for part D, 3mn square p cube upon 18m cube n p6. So for this we can cut out 3. We can write first of all mn square p cube upon 18 m cube and p6. Now 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 6 is 18. So what is we get? 1 upon 6 from this side. Now cut m with this cube and it will give us only m square. Now n for square we get n. p3, 6 minus 3 is 3. p 1n upon 6m square p cube. This is our required answer. Now for E, 15 a c, or we can write c square for better understand. Now 75 a into b4 into c. So now cut out a with a, c with c, and 15 times 1 is 15. 5 times 15 is 75. So what is left? On numerator only c square, in denominator 5a b 4. So this is our required answer. Now for part F, we can write 16x y cube into z, 64x into x, y cube into y into z, z square. So we can cut 16 times 1 is 16, 4 times 16 is 64, 1 upon 4. Now cut x with x, y cube with y cube, z with z. What is left? X y into z square. So this is our required answer. Hopefully you understand. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.